Hello guys, in this video, I'll show you how to use Cash App Afterpay on Amazon. Shopping on Amazon and splitting your payments into 4 easy installments is a great way to manage your budget. And today I will show you exactly how to do it. Since Amazon does not have a direct Afterpay button at the checkout page, we have to use a special workaround to get it working. The most reliable way is to use the Afterpay application itself. Open the Afterpay app and use the search bar at the top to find the Amazon store. This will open the Amazon website inside the app. Log into your account and add the items you want to buy to your cart. When you reach the payment screen, you must select the option to add a new credit or debit card. You will see a button at the bottom of the screen that says Buy Now, Pay Later. When you tap this button, Afterpay will create a one-time virtual card for the exact total amount of your order. It will automatically fill in the card details and the security code for you. Once you place the order, your total will be split into 4 interest-free payments. Another way is to use the Pay Over Time feature. Inside your Cash app, first you use your Cash card to buy your items on Amazon normally. Once the payment is finished and show up in your activity, you can tap on the transaction. If the order was more than $25, you will see an option to switch it off to Afterpay. Cash App will refund the full amount to your balance and then you will pay it back in four smaller amounts every month.